What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over the Too Faced Cat Eyes palette, how I incorporated that, and the Malani Hypnotic Lights Glitter Eyeshadow. And if you're interested to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Alright, let's get started with the video. So I have the rest of my face already done. I'll link all the products down in the description box. Today I'm going to be focusing on the eyes. I'm going to do like a pretty subtle pink with some shimmer. So, as y'all can tell, and if you watch my Get to Know Me, pink is my favorite color. I just realized I am wearing a pink shirt, have a pink background. Pink. It's ridiculous. Anyways, and I'm doing a pink look, so let's get started. Let me get y'all zoomed in on nice and personal so you can see the lids. I'm going in with my Too Faced Cat Eyes palette. Super cute. I'm going to be using pretty much all three of these colors and then these two over here. So let me give you some swatches. You probably won't be able to see the first three, but hey, we're going to try. So here are some swatches. This first one right here is Purr, and then there is Meow, Kitten, Tiger's Eye, and Leopard. So Leopard on here, it's wet to dry, so you can use it as wet and it will dry. I don't dip my brush or anything. I'm just gonna use it for how it is on the pan. So the first thing I'm going to do is, of course, go in with my NYX Full Coverage Concealer. And since my nails are kind of long, I have been using a brush to kind of just put that on the eyes. That way I don't scrape out product. And then I'll just go in and blend it with my finger. So the first thing I'm going to do to set the concealer is I'm going to go in with a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with Purr, which is that first shade. And then I'm actually going to go in with Meow right on top of it, just because it's a little bit more of like a cream pink, and it's super pretty. So now that the eyes are set, I'm going to go in with my Luxie 249 brush and go into Tiger's Eye, which is that like brown shade, the lighter brown. And I've been really loving this look. It's really fun to have a little bit of like shimmer, but also kind of like subtle. I'm just gonna blend this all on the crease, outer corner. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in a little bit more with Tiger's Eye. Then next I'm gonna go in with Leopard. Just a little bit. They are very pigmented colors, as you can tell, but I want to kind of lightly go in with it and just blend it real well, keep blending it so it's not so crazy. So now I'm going to go in with my Malani Hypnotic Lights in the shade 2 Luminous Light. It's a liquid eyeshadow from Malani. It's super cute. And what I like to do with this one, so it can be subtle and I don't want my brush to get dirty, I put it on my finger and then just tap that all over the lid. And I do it twice just so it can be a little bit more noticeable, because your girl likes a shimmer. And And then I'm just gonna do that too. Ooh, got a lot on this eye. Just gonna do that to this eye. I got a lot. This went from subtle to glittery. But that's okay, everyone loves the glitter. So pretty. So I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm just gonna put some eyeliner on really quick. Now that I have my wings liner done, I'm going to do my mascara with my all-time favorite mascara right now, which is the Bad Gal Bang from Benefits. I'm just gonna curl the lashes. And put some mascara on. This mascara is so amazing. If you haven't tried it, you definitely need to. Literally with one coat of mascara, I still can't get over how amazing this mascara is. So now I'm going to top it all off with my e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Mocha Twist. And that completes this look for today. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to press that cute little pink subscribe button over there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was super helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. It's curly, what I use, and how I tame it.